In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Lovable App to the Apple App Store. Step-by-step tutorial 2026. We'll start inside Lovable. Open the project you want to publish and make sure it's truly ready for prime time. That means your features are stable, your pages load quickly on mobile, and any links, sign-ins, or payment flows work smoothly. View the live version exactly as your users would and confirm it feels polished. When you're confident it's production ready, copy the public URL of your app. This link is important because it's what we'll use to power the mobile experience. Next, head to Median. This is where you'll turn your Lovable site into an app package suitable for the App Store. Create a new app in Median and paste the URL you just copied. From here, customize the essentials so your app looks and feels native on iOS. Set your app name, choose an icon that's clear at small sizes, and define your splash screen. Adjust colors and any navigation or toolbar options to match your brand. Take a moment to preview the app behavior, especially how it handles deep links, external links, and back gestures on iOS. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in user experience. Save your changes as you go and follow Median's prompts to finalize the build intended for App Store distribution. When you're done configuring your app in Median, go to App Store Connect and sign in with your Apple developer account. If you don't have a developer account yet, visit the Apple developer website to enroll first. Enrollment can take a bit of time and may require verification, so it's best to complete that step before you plan to submit. Once signed in, you'll manage your app details, so keep your branding consistent with what you set in Median and what users see in Lovable. Prepare accurate app metadata, a clear description, and high-quality screenshots that reflect your live experience. Consistency here helps your review go more smoothly. Throughout this process, keep a checklist of the essentials: a stable live URL from Lovable, a well-branded build from Median, and access to App Store Connect with your active developer account. If anything looks off in preview, fix it early. It's always faster than troubleshooting during review. Also, make sure your app content complies with Apple's guidelines and that your privacy practices are clearly communicated in your metadata. That's it. You've taken your Lovable project, wrapped it with Median for a native-like iOS experience, and set yourself up in App Store Connect for submission. Congratulations and good luck with your launch.